On day 2 of pre-hire evaluation, formerly known as orientation, if you take the bus, the day will start at QT for snacks and drinks if you wish, or you can just wait on the bus. Today, you will be put into groups. You will get to know all the people in your group quickly. Your first test in a group, yet individually, will be the drive test. There might be moments of confusion, but before you know it, you will be sitting next to your peers in a well-traveled Melton truck. Make sure you feel comfortable in the driver's seat. Make all the necessary adjustments and keep your eyes open to all the changing conditions of the road. The instructors have a preset course for you and will be evaluating you as you go. If you are not the first to drive, pay attention to the mistakes the current driver is making and don't repeat them. The instructors are mainly concerned about your ability to make safe decisions and maintain sound judgment under pressure. Keep your cool. Don't be nervous. Be excited. This is your time to shine. This will also be your first opportunity to get to know the positioning of the dash cam that will be watching you while you're driving. After the first driver is done with the course, the instructor will direct him or her to pull over at a safe location to switch drivers. In most cases, it will be a truck stop where everyone can get out and use the restroom. This is also another opportunity for you to examine the dimensions of the truck and trailer. Get in early so you can get comfortable. Remember, make wide turns. You are pulling a split axle 53-foot flatbed trailer. After everyone in the group is finished with the road tests, it's back to the marshal yard. This is going to be where you get to know your team members and their strengths and weaknesses. Most of the time, if you need help, an instructor will be available to assist you. This instructor is Marshall. He is the most personable, friendly, and easygoing instructor. Make sure you leave him a good review because he is kicking ass. He is showing us how to properly insert a strap into the trailer winches. You will be doing this over and over again at least 100 times during the week, so get it right early. Every team will get a different load securement. You will have to unsecure everything and secure it properly once again. Pay attention to how it was secured. It has been approved by one of the instructors, so it has been secured properly by the previous team.
Yeah, today we're gonna have tacos for lunch. It's Taco Tuesday.
After lunch, it's back to the marshal yard. This is the flat steel securement. Having team members to complete the securements makes it very easy, but keep in mind, you will be expected to do this solo. So get hands-on now as much as you can.
Let me talk to you a little bit about my helmet. This helmet comes with a tinted visor, earmuffs, and a chin strap. If you already wear glasses, this visor is a very nice bonus to protect you from sun exposure and also extra coverage to protect your face. The martial yard is very noisy, with chains being thrown around. If you have sensitive ears as I do, this will come in very handy. Simply move them to the side if you need to speak to someone.
This is one of the most sensitive items to secure, the suicide coil. Depending on the weight of the coil, you may have to use all of the chains. In this case, 5 chains was the minimum amount, but you should always over-secure. If your coil weighs 20,000 pounds, use 7 chains as a minimum. 1 chain covers 4,000 pounds. Aim high always, never do the minimum. This is another sensitive item to secure, but it is sensitive because you can damage the product if you are too heavy-handed in your securement methods. Insulation is light and damaged easily if you over-tighten your straps. Add enough tension to secure snugly, but don't overdo it. Make sure you use edge protectors, and always add an X-strap.
Get snapped in the face one time. They'll never do it again.